Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get some group policy functionality in Windows 11 Home using a little app called Policy Plus. This will actually work for Windows 10 as well. So we just did a video on how to run this batch file here, which will actually bring back the group policy editor into Windows, the real deal. So I'll put a link for the video for that one, so you might want to try that one. And so what that did, let me show you first that we're on Windows 11 Home here. So Windows 11 Home. So now that I ran this thing from the other video, if we do gpedit.msc, so you can see we have the Windows group policy, local group policy editor. So it looks just like it does in Pro. So I haven't used too much in here, but it seems to work okay. So I've read that there might be some things that don't really work that well in the Home edition, since you're technically doing this on Home. So what you could do is you could try out this guy here called Policy Plus. It's an executable you could download. I'll put a link in the description. So for doing so, I'm going to say back up your computer and do this at your own risk. It seems to be okay, but I guess you never really know. One thing you'll notice too is that Windows will probably warn you saying it doesn't trust this, and you'll have to click on More, I believe, to actually let it run. So once you run it here, say yes. And then you'll have this window here. It looks similar. It's not the same. Let me get these side by side here. So you can see that this has a user or computer, and then you can break it down to user, which would be here, but it's still not laid out the same. You know, control panel, desktop. That's under administrative preferences. And see, I don't see a software setting unless it's somewhere else. And then computer settings. So it looks like it's just the administrative templates part of it, actually, because I don't see this Windows settings here either. So you'll have to, kind of go through here and see what you could find, or you could, looks like you could search for stuff too, and then it works, kind of the same way. Let's say you want to enable something. Just either, not configured, enabled, or disabled type of thing, and just apply, and it tells you a little description here. So, it's just like a third-party version of the group policy editor. So you could probably, you could run them both if you want and see which one you like better and see which one does the job for you. Okay, so like I said, I'll put a link in the description. You could run it at your own risk once again, and then you could also try this one out at your own risk again, and then you'll have two options for editing group policy in Windows 11 Home or Windows 10. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.